All right, now if you followed along with us in the past, you know that home security and home automation is a big deal for us. So I'm here talking with Chris here at CES 2019 this year. Chris is with Abode. He's going to tell us what we've got coming up this year for Abode.
Thanks. Yeah, so this year we rolled out our IOTA Gateway form factor, which is an all-in-one home security, home automation hub. This year we're focused on helping in the Z-Wave booth because we're focusing on interoperability through all the rest of the Z-Wave family devices. So we're going to be focused on adding all of the devices that you see in this home along with other Alliance members for Abode. We've also just released our integration with Danalock, which is a new lock company that's just made it into the US. And then we're also looking at committed to getting HomeKit certified, so that's going to happen this year as well for both of our hubs. So our older hub and the new IOTA both will eventually have HomeKit certification in 2019. And then for anyone that doesn't know who we are, we're a DIY home security hub, but we're also going to be adding, through a relationship with Hello Tech, a professional install option at checkout. So we'll be able to cover more of the market for people that may not want to install this on their own. And it also helps for being able to add new devices that will be a little bit more complex for people, like locks or lights or thermostats.
So the idea here is that this device is going to integrate everything we see here in the Z-Wave booth into one place. Is that about right?
That's right. That's right.
Okay, very cool. So in your opinion, other than this device, of course, what is the best device that you've seen in this booth? What are you most excited for people to hook up to it?
So right now, it's cool that, from a home security standpoint, we love the garage door integration that's out front here and the locks because they tie in really well to like coming and going from home and making sure that your home is safe. From an automation standpoint, love like the Google Home to be able to turn on the lights just by telling it to. We also have integrations with Amazon Alexa, so you can actually lock and unlock the Danalock through that integration. So those are kind of the cool factor things that I like the best.
All right, very good. Well, Chris, thanks for walking us through it.
Yeah.
Appreciate your time.
All right.
All right, make sure you check them out and make sure you subscribe to us as well. Hit that bell icon, follow us through CES 2019. We'll talk to you guys at the next booth.